what's up? It's Jessie here. Welcome to another installment of Let's Watch Sonic Boom. Okay, man, I always forget which episode we're up to. Episode 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7. Episode 8. Episode 8. Yeah, I just remember. Yeah. So anyway, let's get on this episode, shall we? See what's this one about. Sorry, going ahead. In the Midnight Hour. Wait, is there a song about it? I gotta look it up. Styx is being arrested? For what? What the heck?
Styx, you are a mixed martial artist.
Mixed martial artist. Okay, that's a good hobby.
This stinks.
Okay. Whoa! Grim Reaper? What the heck?
Sonic, wake up!
What'd you say, Sugar Plum?
Don't call me Sugar Plum. I'm not Amy.
Oh! Oh my god, me and the Sonic mention. Oh my god, I gotta go back.
What'd you say, Sugar Plum?
Sugar Plum.
Don't call me Sugar Plum. I'm not Amy.
Ah!
What are you doing?
Hold it by the
Get
nose.
my face.
You gotta come with me to the TV studio. There's a red-eyed prowler up to no good.
I was right in the middle of a really sweet dream. I was dancing with sugar plums. You know, when I say it out loud, I kind of regret having said it out loud.
Yes.
Whoa.
Why would he be dreaming about sugar plums?
But I saw him with my own 2 eyes. I smelled them with my nose. I sniffed them with my 6th sense.
I'm going back to bed.
Okay. You do not have a sixth sense.
That's the trouble with being a paranoid kook. When something really is going on, no one believes you. You can say that again. I know, right?
Maybe she's talking to herself. I used to do that years ago.
And you saw him at midnight, all by yourself, in the empty village center, while finger painting? It's called jujitsu realism, and it's the purest form for expressing the depths of my soul. Plus, I found 40 paint cans in my burrow and couldn't think of anything else to do with them.
Wow.
Tired, huh? Not me. I slept like a baby last night. No, really. An abandoned crib washed up on the beach.
You know, Styx, sleep deprivation has been linked to an increase in delusional behavior. That can't be it. I never sleep. But I'm telling you, there was something
She never
fishy
sleeps?
going on at that TV station. And
yeah.
I'm gonna prove it.
Yeah, you should get, yeah, everyone usually gets a 6 hours sleep. That should be enough for, to feel refreshed in the morning. Yeah. Everyone should get plenty of sleep all the time. I'm just saying. Grim Reaper's back! What is he doing at the news? It's a robot. It's definitely a...
Hello, my sleepy friends. This is the Dreamcaster.
Wait,
I'm gonna take you up.
wait, Dreamcaster? We're not talking about Dreamcast, the video gaming console or something like that. It's
Magical journey. All you have to do is follow my silky voice to the land of sugar plums.
We Barry White
where
now?
you wanna go of your own free will, and not because you're hypnotized.
Yeah, we're definitely back. Whoa!
Denizens of our village, you're all being brainwashed. Don't be fooled. A robot is controlling your thoughts.
Yeah, it's a robot.
Sheeple is a negative term.
Sheeple.
We prefer sheep villagers. I'm writing a letter to that network.
Your mind
Wait,
is being taken over
how
by
can
the
she count themselves as
Jeez.
this?
Styx, what have you done now?
Angry mob.
I'm glad you're here. You guys ready to rage against the machine?
You destroyed my studio, you wacky broad, and I lost the insurance payment in a poker game.
Yeah, don't lose the
Hold
insurance.
on. I'm sure there's a perfectly reasonable explanation.
There is. I had pocket deuces. Who doesn't go all in with pocket deuces?
No, I meant a perfectly reasonable explanation for all of this.
The studio was destroyed by a brainwashing robot trying to invade your dreams through the television.
Well, I'm over 2.
Yeah.
Nobody's seen this robot but you. But he really exists. His name's Dreamcaster. That's the worst name I've ever heard.
It's not so bad. Yeah, the at the end is kind of nice.
We all agree the name is terrible. But he's hypnotizing you with dreams of sugar plums. Why can't you get it through your dumb heads?
As the proud owner of a dumb head, I don't like that you're talking down to me, and I don't care for your condescending altitude.
Not sure if that was a clever pun, or if you have no idea what you're saying.
Why can't it be both?
Why can it be both?
Don't trust me. I thought you were my friends.
Aw, that would have been a good painting.
That's her, officer. The one who broke into my studio and went bananas.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't me. It was Dreamcaster.
If Comedy Tim says it, it's gotta be true. After all, he is on TV.
Oh. Listen to everyone on telly. That's how Donald Trump won the election.
I'm glad you guys showed up to
What the?
arrest me. That's not where I was going with that sentence.
Yeah!
Hey, Sticks, it's for your own good.
Maybe a night in Old Stony Lonesome will clear your head.
Oh, they arrested Stick. The
Earned your
drink.
sugar plums.
Oh, they're hypnotized. Oh my gosh. Oh. So Six is the only one not hypnotized. Who's playing the harmonica?
This is so depressing.
It's on.
Even
It's on
Melancholy
record.
Harmonica Music Volume 2 can't cheer me up. I can't believe my friends think I'm a wackading. What if my perception of reality really is distorted? Maybe this isn't my hand. Maybe it's my foot.
What? What the? Oh, we Walking Dead now? Yep, Walking Dead now. Yep, of course it's a robot and Eggman.
I finally have you all under my control. And all it took was the power of television and a charmingly hypnotic robot.
I don't find him particularly charming.
I don't like to brag. I love to brag. And using the television antenna to broadcast dream-controlling mind waves was a work of brag-worthy brilliance.
He actually controlled everyone for once.
The mind control began slowly, thanks to Dreamcaster's
Wait, what did Orba say? I didn't listen.
brag-worthy brilliance.
It's a shame you're too humble to bring it up.
The mind control began slowly, thanks to Dreamcaster's hypnotic commands, but it's now in full effect. Observe!
Everyone, dance the dance of dreams.
Oh, Frilla! Oh my gosh! They're actually doing some of the movements.
I knew Dreamcaster was real. I guess my hand really is my hand.
Where did she get the high heel? Ouch! Why did she throw the high heel
You
at
weren't
him?
affected by Dreamcaster's control because you're the only one in town without a TV. What's wrong with you? What do you do on Saturday morning? Talk about her on the water cooler.
I knew TV was just a big conspiracy to control everyone's minds. I'm not talking to you. You keep watching.
Thank you! Break the fourth wall, Sticks, but thank you!
Minions is nice, but an entire planet full is better.
Ooh.
Begin construction of the Super Slumber Satellite.
Oh, this side is actually pretty good. He's got everyone under his control, but through television. No, Six is pretty much the only one. She can't. She can't get out.
Knuckles. I've got sugar plums up in here.
Oh, sugar plums up in here. Wow, good job, Knuckles. Hey, good job, Knuckles.
Listen to Dreamcaster and fall into slumber.
It's definitely Barry White. No,
Taste the
Sticks.
plums made of sugar and join us.
Must fight delicious candy fruit things.
Well, there she goes.
I never pegged her for the cowardly type.
No, but she's a crazy type. What does she pay?
Hypnotized minions. This is a glorious day. For me. For you, not so much. My evil influence will no longer be limited to this small village.
I'll check
but will
that later.
spread to small and mid-sized villages all over the planet.
What, not like cities or
I
anything?
just want to point out they're not applauding because they're zombies, not because they're unimpressed.
Duly noted.
Duly noted.
It's complete. Dreamcaster will broadcast worldwide, and I'll be unstoppable.
Yeah, you will definitely
And it
be.
all begins with just a press of this button.
Oh,
And then I'll flick of this switch.
look at the switch.
Enter my key code here.
Key code.
And my thumbprint. Swipe my ID badge. And finally,
You finally won.
fast. What part of that process seemed fast to you?
Woo! Where's the vine coming from? the jungle vine. Tinfoil!
A tinfoil hat! The only surefire way to protect from mind control.
Okay!
I still have my unstoppable army of sleepwalkers. Zombies, attack!
They're definitely The Walking Dead! And there's some new characters in there. Yeah.
Admittedly, not the most effective army, but still.
Yeah, what are they gonna do? Whoop! Oh! No, they're just slowly walk to the left, to the left. Everybody jump to the right. Sorry. I was thinking of the Time Warp song. Oh! There's Sonic?
What's going on?
Mind control. Now put these on Knuckles and Tails. I'll get Amy.
Okay. Oop, Knuckles?
I'm no longer in a mind-numbing stupor. I'm back to my regular stupor.
Regular stupid. Amy? And Tails. Then we got the robots. Huh. Why did you unleash the robots in the first place? Oh no! He's back to the violence! It was something stupid. Man? Oh, I missed! No!
Finally, I'm free. You know, this whole experience has been a metaphor for my entire life. No longer will I be just another face in the crowd. I'm gonna turn my life around. Look out, world! Wildcats coming at you!
Sorry to interrupt your epiphany. Kinda need this to fight back.
Oh, he wants his own show. Oh, it doesn't fall off this time. Oh, Tails. Okay. Whoa! Okay, it looks a bit freak. He's a lot freakier.
And here's the lullaby.
Oh, pain. Okay. And whoa, she's going at it. Go, girl. Ah! Woo! Go Sticks. And everyone destroying the machine. Woo!
So much for my mind control scheme.
Oh, well, it was still good, by the way.
We don't mind if you control us.
It's pretty clever, Orbot. When we get back to the lair, I'm removing that witch shit.
Okay.
Well, aren't you going to apologize?
Apologize for what? We were under mind control.
It wasn't us. It was Dreamcaster talking. Really? So you don't think I'm nuts?
There will be. Oh, sorry. There will be times, yeah. Oh man, that was actually. Oh man. Oh my god, some good reference. Dreamcast. I think that was the gaming console, the video game console. Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, Dreamcast. Yeah, because I think there was a couple of Sonic the Hedgehog games that were played on. I just I'll look it up. And there was like the Walking Dead reference and Thriller. Oh my gosh, yes. And the TV bit. What was it? This part is really good.
You weren't affected by Dreamcaster's control because you're the only one in town without a TV. What's wrong with you? What do you do on Saturday mornings? What are you talking about around the water cooler?
I knew TV was just a big conspiracy to control everyone's minds. I'm not talking to you. You keep watching.
Yeah, you keep watching. Yeah. Thank you, Sticks. Thank you, Sticks. It's like TV's a way to like control the simple-minded, control people. Oh man, with I don't know. I don't know if I'm talking about this. But yeah, with media, like Donald Trump is like that. Like, yeah. I just don't want to get into that kind of detail. So, yeah, that was actually a pretty good episode. We got a Sticks episode. It's been a while since we last had Sticks as the main character for the show for any of the episodes. It's been a while lately. It's been a while. So yeah. Anyway, tell me what you guys think of this episode. Like, tell me what you guys think of this episode. Post a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look me up on Twitter. That's where I am most of the time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, man, I forgot to say this. In all my on my other videos. If you guys want a shout out, feel free to post a comment below. I'll be happy to do it. And also, I might be able to do a Q&A session. If you guys want to send me a question for Twitter or YouTube, I'll be happy to answer them. answer them. I'll be happy to do a Q&A session. Yeah, a Q&A video. So, yeah, anyway, this is Jesse from Jesse Order Productions, and I am signing off. You guys take care of yourselves, okay? Bye.